In this video, I'll show you how to enable developer mode on LG TV. Step 1. Access the LG Content Store. Press Home on your remote. Select the LG Content Store icon. Step 2. Install Developer Mode app. In the LG Content Store, use the search bar to type Developer Mode. Select the official app and press Install. Step 3. Open app and sign in. Open the Developer Mode app from your apps list. Sign in with an LG developer account. Create one if you don't have it. Step 4. Activate developer mode. Follow on-screen instructions to activate developer mode. Developer mode stays enabled for limited time. Renew as needed. And that's how you activate developer mode on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to help you out. Bye.